Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of retirement savings, specifically focusing on the 401k plan. If you've ever wondered what a 401k is or how it can help you prepare for the future, you're in the right place. Over the next several scenes, we'll break down the basics, explore how contributions work, and discuss the benefits and potential drawbacks of this popular retirement savings tool. Let's start by understanding the core concept behind a 401k and why it's become such a staple in American retirement planning. A 401k is a type of retirement savings plan offered by many employers in the United States. It allows employees to save and invest a portion of their paycheck before taxes are taken out. The money grows tax-deferred until you withdraw it, usually after retirement. This plan is named after a section of the U.S. Internal Revenue Code. Essentially, a 401k is a powerful tool to help you build a nest egg for your future, giving you more control over your retirement savings and investment choices. The 401k plan was introduced in 1978 as part of the Revenue Act. Before this, most Americans relied on pensions or personal savings for retirement. The 401k quickly gained popularity because it offered tax advantages and gave employees more flexibility in managing their retirement funds. Over the decades, it has become the primary retirement savings vehicle for millions of workers, fundamentally changing how Americans plan for their financial futures. So, how does a 401k actually work? When you enroll in a 401k plan through your employer, you decide how much of your paycheck you want to contribute. This amount is automatically deducted from your salary before taxes are applied. The money is then invested in options you select, such as mutual funds, stocks, or bonds. Over time, your contributions and any investment gains grow tax-deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on them until you withdraw the funds in retirement. One of the main advantages of a 401k is that your contributions are made with pre-tax dollars. This means the money you put in is deducted from your gross income, reducing your taxable income for the year. As a result, you may pay less in taxes now, while your investments grow tax-deferred until you withdraw them in retirement. This tax benefit is a key reason why many people choose to participate in a 401k plan. Many employers offer a matching contribution to your 401k. This means they will add extra money to your account based on how much you contribute up to a certain limit. For example, an employer might match 50% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary. Employer matching is essentially free money, making it one of the most valuable features of a 401k plan. Taking full advantage of this match can significantly boost your retirement savings over time. There are annual limits to how much you can contribute to your 401k. For 2024, the maximum employee contribution is $23,000, with an additional catch-up contribution of $7,500 allowed for those aged 50 and over. These limits are set by the IRS and may change from year to year. Staying within these limits ensures you receive the full tax benefits and avoid any penalties for over-contributing. A 401k plan typically offers a range of investment options, including mutual funds, stocks, bonds, and sometimes target date funds. You can choose how your contributions are allocated among these options based on your risk tolerance and retirement goals. Diversifying your investments can help manage risk and potentially increase your returns over time. It's important to review your investment choices regularly to ensure they align with your long-term objectives. One of the biggest benefits of a 401k is tax-deferred growth. This means you don't pay taxes on your investment gains each year. Instead, your money grows faster because all earnings such as interest, dividends, and capital gains are reinvested without being reduced by taxes. You'll only pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement, which can help your savings compound more effectively over time. Vesting refers to how much of your employer's contributions you actually own over time. While your own contributions are always 100% yours, employer contributions may be subject to a vesting schedule. This means you might need to work for your employer for a certain number of years before you fully own their matching contributions. Understanding your plan's vesting schedule is important, especially if you're considering changing jobs. When you reach retirement age, typically 59 and a half or older, you can begin withdrawing money from your 401k without penalty. These withdrawals are taxed as ordinary income. Planning your withdrawals carefully can help you manage your tax liability and ensure your savings last throughout retirement. It's important to understand the rules and strategies for taking distributions to make the most of your hard-earned savings. Taking money out of your 401k before age 59 and a half usually results in a 10% early withdrawal penalty, in addition to regular income taxes. There are some exceptions, such as for certain hardships or disabilities, but it's generally best to avoid early withdrawals if possible. Keeping your money invested allows it to grow and helps you avoid unnecessary penalties that can erode your retirement savings. Once you reach age 73, the IRS requires you to start taking minimum distributions from your 401k, known as required minimum distributions, RMDs. The amount you must withdraw each year is based on your account balance and life expectancy. Failing to take RMDs can result in hefty penalties, so it's important to plan for these withdrawals as part of your retirement strategy. Some employers offer a Roth 401k option. Unlike traditional 401ks, Roth contributions are made with after-tax dollars, meaning you pay taxes now, but withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. This can be a great choice if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement or want to diversify your tax situation. Having both traditional and Roth options gives you more flexibility in managing your retirement income. Some 401k plans allow you to borrow from your account. Typically, you can take out a loan of up to 50% of your vested balance, up to $50,000. You'll need to repay the loan with interest, usually within 5 years. While this can provide quick access to cash, it's important to consider the risks, such as missing out on investment growth and potential penalties if you leave your job before repaying the loan. In certain situations, you may be able to take a hardship withdrawal from your 401k. This is allowed for specific financial needs, such as medical expenses, buying a first home, or avoiding eviction. However, hardship withdrawals are still subject to income taxes and may incur penalties. It's important to understand the rules and consider other options before tapping into your retirement savings. If you change jobs, your 401k is portable. You can leave your savings in your former employer's plan, roll it over to your new employer's plan, or move it into an IRA. Each option has its pros and cons, so it's important to review your choices carefully. Portability ensures your retirement savings can continue to grow even as your career evolves. 401k plans often come with fees, such as administrative costs and investment management fees. These expenses can eat into your returns over time, so it's important to understand what you're paying. Reviewing your plan's fee structure and choosing low-cost investment options can help you maximize your retirement savings. The 401k offers several key benefits: tax advantages, employer matching, high contribution limits, and a variety of investment choices. These features make it one of the most effective ways to save for retirement. By taking full advantage of your 401k, you can build a strong financial foundation for your future and enjoy greater peace of mind as you approach retirement. While 401ks are powerful savings tools, they do have some drawbacks. Early withdrawals can trigger taxes and penalties, and investment choices may be limited compared to IRAs. Fees can also reduce your returns. Understanding these potential downsides can help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes as you save for retirement. It's helpful to compare a 401k with an IRA, another popular retirement account. While both offer tax advantages, 401ks often have higher contribution limits and employer matching, but IRAs typically provide more investment choices and lower fees. Many people use both to maximize their retirement savings and take advantage of the unique benefits each account offers. Many employers now offer automatic enrollment in their 401k plans. This means you're automatically signed up to contribute a portion of your salary unless you opt out. Automatic enrollment helps more people start saving early and can lead to better retirement outcomes. If you're automatically enrolled, be sure to review your contribution rate and investment choices to make sure they fit your goals. Some 401k plans include an auto-escalation feature, which automatically increases your contribution rate each year. This helps you gradually save more without having to take action yourself. Auto-escalation is a simple way to boost your retirement savings over time and can make a big difference in your long-term financial security. If you're age 50 or older, you can make catch-up contributions to your 401k above the standard annual limit. For 2024, the catch-up amount is $7,500. This feature allows older workers to accelerate their savings as they approach retirement, helping to make up for any shortfalls in earlier years. When you set up your 401k, you'll be asked to name a beneficiary. This is the person who will inherit your account if something happens to you. Keeping your beneficiary information up to date is important, especially after major life events like marriage or the birth of a child. This ensures your savings go to the right person. Spouses often have special rights when it comes to 401k accounts. In many cases, your spouse must consent if you name someone else as your beneficiary. These rules are designed to protect spouses and ensure they have access to retirement funds if needed. Understanding spousal rights can help you make informed decisions about your account. A rollover allows you to move your 401k funds to another retirement account, such as an IRA or a new employer's 401k plan. Rollovers can help you consolidate your retirement savings and maintain tax advantages. It's important to follow the correct process to avoid taxes and penalties when rolling over your account. You'll receive regular statements from your 401k plan showing your account balance, contributions, investment performance, and fees. Reviewing these statements helps you track your progress and make informed decisions about your investments. Staying engaged with your account is key to reaching your retirement goals. Most 401k plans offer online access, allowing you to check your balance, change investments, and update personal information anytime. This convenience makes it easier to manage your retirement savings and stay on top of your financial goals. Be sure to use strong passwords and security features to protect your account. It's wise to consider naming a power of attorney for your 401k account. This person can manage your account if you become unable to do so yourself. Setting up a power of attorney ensures your retirement savings are protected and managed according to your wishes, even if you're unable to act. Your 401k savings are separate from Social Security benefits, but both play important roles in your retirement income. By maximizing your 401k contributions, you can supplement Social Security and enjoy a more comfortable retirement. Planning how these sources work together is key to a secure financial future. To get the most from your 401k, contribute as much as you can, especially enough to get the full employer match. Review your investment options regularly and adjust your contributions as your income grows. Taking these steps can help you build a larger nest egg and enjoy greater financial security in retirement. Some common 401k mistakes include not contributing enough to get the employer match, cashing out when changing jobs, and ignoring fees. Avoiding these pitfalls can help you make the most of your retirement savings and avoid unnecessary losses. Stay informed and proactive to keep your savings on track. Over time, your investment mix may drift from your original plan due to market changes. Rebalancing means adjusting your investments to maintain your desired risk level and asset allocation. Most plans let you rebalance online, and some even offer automatic rebalancing features. Regularly, rebalancing helps keep your retirement strategy on track. If you're unsure about your 401k choices, consider seeking professional financial advice. Advisors can help you select investments, plan for taxes, and develop a strategy that fits your goals. Getting expert guidance can give you confidence and help you avoid costly mistakes as you plan for retirement. If you're self-employed, you can still take advantage of a 401k through a solo 401k plan. This allows you to contribute both as an employer and employee, potentially saving even more for retirement. Solo 401ks offer similar tax benefits and investment options as traditional plans, making them a great choice for entrepreneurs and freelancers. Changing jobs doesn't mean you have to leave your 401k behind. You have several options. Leave it with your old employer, roll it over to your new employer's plan, or move it to an IRA. Each choice has different implications for fees, investment options, and convenience, so review your options carefully when making a move. Divorce can affect your 401k savings. In many cases, retirement accounts are considered marital property and may be divided between spouses. A court order called a Qualified Domestic Relations Order, QDRO, is often required to split a 401k without penalties. Understanding how divorce impacts your retirement savings can help you plan and protect your financial future. If you inherit a 401k from someone, you'll have several options for how to handle the account. The rules depend on your relationship to the deceased and the plan's terms. Inherited 401ks may have required distributions and tax implications, so it's important to understand your choices and consult a financial advisor if needed. 401k accounts are generally protected from creditors in bankruptcy. This means your retirement savings are usually safe even if you face financial hardship. However, rules can vary, so it's important to understand your protections and consult legal advice if you're concerned about bankruptcy. Understanding how your 401k is taxed is crucial. Traditional 401k contributions are pre-tax, so you pay taxes when you withdraw funds in retirement. Roth 401k contributions are after tax, so withdrawals are tax-free. Planning your withdrawals and understanding tax implications can help you keep more of your savings. Inflation can erode the purchasing power of your retirement savings over time. That's why it's important to invest your 401k in a diversified mix of assets that can help outpace inflation. Regularly reviewing your investment strategy can help protect your savings and ensure your money lasts throughout retirement. Market ups and downs can affect your 401k balance. While it's normal to feel concerned during downturns, staying invested and maintaining a long-term perspective is usually the best approach. Diversifying your investments and avoiding emotional decisions can help you weather market volatility and keep your retirement plan on track. Your 401k is an important part of your estate plan. Naming beneficiaries, considering tax implications, and coordinating with other assets can help ensure your wishes are carried out. Working with an estate planning professional can help you make the most of your retirement savings for your loved ones. In summary, A 401k is a powerful tool for building your retirement savings, offering tax advantages, employer matching, and flexible investment options. By understanding how your plan works and making informed decisions, you can maximize your savings and enjoy a more secure retirement. Take time to review your plan, set goals, and make adjustments as needed to stay on track for the future you want.